Hello and good morning to all of my subscribers. So today we are going to talk about quercetin with bromelain and how basically it helps in fighting chronic prostatitis. As a chronic prostatitis survivor, I'm also having quercetin with bromelain, and the brand is Now. So Canada Now, please sponsor me. I'm not working for them, so it's not a sponsor video or something like that. So today we are going to talk about how quercetin combined with bromelain can have a really great effect on your prostatitis, basically on your prostate I would say, and how it will help you get rid of all of those symptoms and pain. So you need to understand one thing, that chronic prostatitis is not a disease that can be totally cured. What happens is that one day you will wake up and chronic prostatitis will be gone, because you never know the reason of chronic prostatitis, and a lot of doctors run away from this disease, as I discussed in my earlier videos, that they don't want to listen to you because they don't have the cure. And when you're getting back to them again and again and again and again, that's really disturbing for them as well. But I can also understand that a person who is suffering from chronic prostatitis, it really is a difficult situation for him or her to handle. So basically it's a very powerful antioxidant. When combined with bromelain, it reduces pain and symptoms of chronic non-bacterial prostatitis. So there are a lot of studies about chronic prostatitis that combining quercetin with bromelain and papain produced even greater effects. So basically, if papain is not added in it, you can also take quercetin added with bromelain, and what it will do is that quercetin may interact with several common medications, so you should also ask your doctor. But bromelain and quercetin may increase the risk of bleeding, especially if you also take blood thinners such as warfarin, Plavix or aspirin. So be very careful about all of these medications when you are taking quercetin. But it basically will have a very anti-inflammatory effect on your prostate, and it will help you get rid of that inflammation. And secondly, that it also helps you getting rid of pain as well, which is also a really bad thing. But one thing, that it's not going to cure the disease, it's going to control the disease, or like with some time you're going to get good, you're going to feel good. You can take 500 mg per day, or 500 mg twice a day. I would say that start from 500 mg per day for 1 month, and I've but I have read a lot of people that they were writing that the symptoms were quite better after taking it for like 1 month or 2 months. So you can also do that, and it's really good antioxidant basically. And secondly, the point is that it is not just used for prostate as well, it's used for a lot of other things as well. It's a bioflavonoid. So bioflavonoids, basically what they will do is that they will lower down the inflammation in all of your body, because chronic prostatitis is not a disease caused by the prostate only. It also has links to other organs as well, and the number one organ is your stomach, the number second organ is your liver. So basically, when you combine all of these things, that is when chronic prostatitis gets aggravated. So it is basically a bioflavonoid, and there is a study about about quercetin with bromelain, that 2 patients in the placebo group refused to complete the study because of worsening symptoms, leaving 13 placebo and 15 bioflavonoid patients for evaluation in the blind study. Both the quercetin and placebo groups were similar in age, all of that, and conclusions: therapy with the bioflavonoid quercetin is well tolerated and provides significant symptomatic improvement in most men with chronic pelvic pain syndrome. You can also start taking this supplement, and let us know in the comments. I am also consuming this, and I pray that my symptoms get a little bit good. So if there is any improvement, I'll also let you know. And there are a lot of things that are going to come up on this channel about health. We're going to discuss all of those things, how olive oil will help you, how cranberries will help you, all of these things. So stay tuned to our channel. Thank you very much.